11 habits to make your car last. Over 300,000 miles without repairs. Did you know that most cars don't die because of age but because of poor maintenance? Studies show that over 75% of roadside breakdowns could have been prevented with proper care. Many drivers believe cars are done at 150,000 miles, but that's a myth. With the right habits, your vehicle can easily double that lifespan and save you thousands in repairs. Stick around as we cover 11 essential car habits to keep your ride running strong. Don't forget to click subscribe to Best Cars Reviews and Buying Tips for more expert car advice. 1. Don't trust manufacturer oil change intervals. Car makers often recommend oil changes every 10,000 miles, but here's the truth. That's more about marketing than engine health. Stretching oil changes may look cheaper, but it leads to sludge, worn seals, and eventually engine failure that can cost over $4,000. Seasoned mechanics recommend changing your oil every 5,000 miles or 6 months using full synthetic. If you drive in heavy traffic, tow, or live in hot or dusty areas, this habit is non-negotiable. Oil is cheap, engines aren't. 2. Replace transmission fluid. Before it's too late. Most drivers ignore transmission maintenance until it starts slipping, and by then, you're looking at a $3,000 plus repair bill. Transmission fluid silently breaks down with heat and mileage, even if it still looks clean. Smart owners do a simple drain and fill every 60,000 miles, or up to 90,000 for hybrids. Always use OEM fluid, Toyota WS for Toyotas, Honda ATFDW1 for Hondas. And here's the golden rule, never flush a neglected transmission. If maintained, fine. If not, just drain it. 3. Flush your coolant. Every 5 years, coolant isn't forever. After about 50,000 miles or 5 years, it turns acidic and starts corroding your engine from the inside out. Ignoring this leads to rotted water pumps, clogged heater cores, and head gasket failures, repairs that can cost thousands. Whether your coolant is pink, blue, or orange, replace it on schedule. Coolant is cheap insurance compared to the price of an engine rebuild. Don't wait until you see white smoke or coolant loss. Act early and avoid disaster. 4. Replace the timing belt on schedule. Timing belt is a small hidden part with massive responsibility. If it breaks, pistons and valves collide, leaving you with a destroyed engine and a repair bill between $2,000 and $5,000. Most cars require a new timing belt every 60,000 to 100,000 miles or every 7 to 10 years. Even if you drive less, belts wear down with age. Don't wait for warning signs. Timing belts often snap without notice. Replace on schedule, and while you're at it, change the water pump too. 5. Keep spark plugs. Fresh-worn spark plugs can cut fuel economy by up to 30% and make your car sluggish. Most plugs last between 60,000 and 100,000 miles depending on type, with iridium plugs lasting longer. Watch for rough idle, slow starts, or misfires as early warning signs. A full set of spark plugs costs less than $100, but ignoring them can ruin ignition coils or even damage your catalytic converter. Replacing plugs on time ensures smooth starts, better mileage, and peak engine performance. 6. Change the fuel filter regularly. Your fuel filter quietly protects your pump and injectors from dirt, rust, and debris. Over time, it clogs and forces the pump to overwork until it fails, a replacement that costs $500 to $1,000. A $40 fuel filter swap every 30,000 to 60,000 miles can prevent this. Newer cars with in-tank filters can stretch to 100,000 miles, but don't ignore it. Always release fuel pressure before replacement and work in a ventilated area. It's one of the cheapest habits that saves big. 7. Flush brake fluid. Every 2 to 3 years, brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, lowering its boiling point and increasing the risk of brake failure. New DIOT 3 fluid boils at around 401 degrees Fahrenheit, but contaminated fluid can drop to just 284 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a huge safety risk. For just $75 to $100, you can flush your brake fluid every 2 to 3 years and avoid dangerous spongy pedals. A simple $20 tester can instantly tell you if it's time. Remember, if you can't stop safely, you won't be driving to 300,000 miles. 8. Service differentials and transfer case. For rear-wheel and all-wheel drive cars, the differential and transfer case are essential for moving power to the wheels. The heavy-duty oil inside breaks down every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Ignore it, and you'll face grinding gears and costly replacements. Changing it is simple. Drain, refill with manufacturer-approved fluid, and tighten. Always check both drain 9. Clean the mass airflow sensor. The MAF sensor measures incoming air so your engine knows how much fuel to inject. When it gets dirty, you'll notice hesitation, poor fuel economy, or even a check engine light. Instead of replacing it for hundreds, you can clean it in minutes with a $10 MAF cleaner. Remove it, spray the elements, let it dry, and reinstall. Never use brake or carb cleaner, they'll destroy it. A clean MAF sensor means smoother acceleration, better gas mileage, and longer engine life. 10. Replace the PCV valve. The PCV valve manages engine pressure and emissions. When it clogs, it causes oil leaks, rough idle, and high oil consumption. Replacing it every 30,000 to 50,000 miles prevents gasket blowouts that can cost over $1,000. Luckily, the part is cheap, just $10 to $20, and easy to swap. Twist out the old one, pop in the new, and check the hose for cracks. This tiny component plays a huge role in keeping oil where it belongs and extending your engine's life. 11. Align your wheels. Every 15,000 miles. Wheel alignment might seem optional, but it directly affects safety, tire life, and fuel economy. Misaligned wheels cause uneven tire wear, poor handling, and up to 10% worse gas mileage. A proper alignment costs around $75 to $100, far less than replacing a set of prematurely worn tires. Check for steering pull, crooked steering wheels, or uneven tire edges as signs. Doing this every 15,000 miles keeps your car stable, safe, and running efficiently for years. And there you have it. 11 proven habits that can easily add years and hundreds of thousands of miles to your car's life. The truth is, vehicles rarely fail because of age alone. They fail because small, inexpensive maintenance steps were skipped until they snowballed into major repairs. By staying ahead on simple things like oil changes, transmission fluid, brake flushes, and spark plugs, you're not just preventing breakdowns, you're protecting your wallet from bills that can reach thousands of euros. Think about it. A $50 fluid change today can stop a $3,000 transmission failure tomorrow. A fresh timing belt means you'll never face a destroyed engine.